Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, select the erase color, select the stroke, adjust the color green. Change the background color, select the color filter, select the image, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.